What's up, Game of Thrones fans? A warm welcome to 365 Reporter YouTube channel.
Here for the fame, though it might be nice to own a jet plane. I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.
HBO official announces that the Game of Thrones prequel series named House of Dragon will be aired on 2022. In this video, I am going to describe you about one of the main characters of House of Dragon named Princess Rhaenyra Targaryen. According to HBO, popular British actress Emma D'Arcy shall play the role. Let's start the video. In short, writer calls Princess Rhaenyra Targaryen as the realm's delight. She is King Viserys I Targaryen's first child. Her mother is Queen Aemma Arryn. Later, she also rides dragon during the Civil War. She is also called as the Whore of Dragonstone, the Beach Queen, etc. Beauty and character of the Princess Rhaenyra. Rhaenyra's silver gold hair in a long braid looks like Queen Visenya Targaryen. Her uncle Daemon says, "You are the most beautiful maiden in all the Seven Kingdoms." This large bosom girl is so brave and gains weight during pregnancy. Her waist becomes thick at 20. After her third pregnancy, she is so stubborn and becomes angry quickly. In most of the time, she dresses with pearls and diamonds. Purple and maroon velvets are her favorite things. Most importantly, she wears her father's crown during the Dance of the Dragons. Early life and rumors of Rhaenyra. Princess Rhaenyra is born in 97 AC, the first child of King Viserys I Targaryen. She learns to fly with dragon named Syrax at the age of 7. From her young age, she admires her uncle Daemon Targaryen. Daemon gives her exotic gifts bringing from the sea, but Sir Criston Cole defeats her uncle in a hand-to-hand combat and becomes her personal bodyguard. In 106 AC, her mother Aemma dies and her father marries Lady Alicent Hightower. In the early stage, Rhaenyra is in a good relationship with her stepmommy, but a cold war starts when both wants to be the first lady of the realm. According to Septon Eustace, when she turns 16, Uncle Daemon seduces her and takes her virginity. He also teaches her on how she can seduce and properly please a man. But Full Mushroom says that her uncle gives her after marriage lessons, but she remains maiden as she falls in love with Criston. She wishes that Criston will see her as a grown woman. Marriage of Rhaenyra and how she becomes the ruling princess of Dragonstone. In 113 AC, when she was 16 years old, she becomes the ruling princess of Dragonstone. Many lords and nobles favors her and seek her hand. Now, stepmother Queen Alicent Hightower wishes to arrange a marriage between Rhaenyra and her eldest son Prince Aegon Targaryen. But this stubborn princess marries with Sir Lyonor Velaryon in 114 AC. His father, King Viserys, becomes angry and threats her, telling, "You will lose the status as heir to the Iron Throne." But she does not accept father's proposal. Sir Lyonor and Princess Rhaenyra have 3 sons named Princess Jacaerys, Jake, Lucerius, Luke, and Joffrey of Velaryon. But there are some rumors that she is impregnated by her lover Harwin Strong, aka Breakbones. Her lover Breakbones kills her husband Lyonor. After this, she secretly weds with Uncle Daemon. According to Mushroom, 39 years old uncle impregnates 23 years old niece Rhaenyra even before. Now, the big game named Dance of the Dragons. Princess Rhaenyra is the automatic heir of King Viserys I Targaryen's Iron Throne. After the death of the king, Sir Otto, the Hand of the King, and Criston, Lord Commander of the Kingsguard, join with each other and crown Rhaenyra's step-brother Aegon II, the son of Queen Alicent. So, the result is obvious. A civil war named Dance of the Dragons start and dragon riders fight with each other. Rhaenyra rides her dragon Syrax. After the death of her father, she is on the state of birth her sixth child. Finally, she gives birth of deformed and stillborn daughter Visenya. Her husband, uncle, and Sir Stephen crown her on her father's crown. After this, many water passes and son Luke dies during the war. Rhaenyra sits in the throne for half a year, so writers call her as half-year queen. Now, smallpox start betraying with her and a massive riot starts after the suicide of Helena. Helena is the daughter of Queen Alicent, and some says that she is actually murdered on the order of Rhaenyra. Mad Public storms the dragon pit and her son Joffrey dies in this process. She finally flees from the King's Landing. Dead, the three eldest sons of Rhaenyra dies in the Battle of the Dance of the Dragons. So she becomes terrorized, loses all her hopes, and grows grey hair. She dies in 130 AC at Dragonstone. Legacy. Luckily, her two youngest sons survive. The civil war ends after the death of Aegon II in 131 AC. Finally, her second son with Daemon sits on the Iron Throne, named as King Viserys II Targaryen. Hi folks, I hope you find it interesting to hear the details of Princess Rhaenyra Targaryen. If you like our video, then like, comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. I have also written a blog post about Princess Rhaenyra Targaryen on 365reporter.com. I will provide the link in the description and you may read from there. Thanks.